Grabe, nakakamiss tong kare-kare from Cafe 17. Discovered another good lutong bahay find from a small business. Cafe 17 sent us some of their food to try. Let's go! Yung tofu sisig was pretty decent. Ang cute ng may pa-crab sticks definitely added more flavor, and in fairness sa gamit na tofu, quality talaga. Yung carbonara was creamy and masarap naman, plus ang daming bacon, but medyo naalatan lang kami, and yung pasta sana mas al dente pa. They also sent their kare-kare with lechon kawali and garlic rice, and wow, ang sarap nito. Alam niyo yung sobrang comforting na no frills lutong bahay feels talaga, ganon. Yung kare-kare sauce nasa thicker and sweet side, ang sarap din ng veggies. Yung lechon kawali very tender and puro laman. Even yung bagoong nila, my gosh, ang sarap. Kahit sauce and bagoong na lang yung natira, inulam ko pa din to the next day. Meron ding boneless chicken na I think garlic butter, decent naman, tender and flavorful. Tapos yung ham and cheese sandwich, pretty standard din. Guys, they do have a physical cafe in Bacoor. Pinadalhan lang talaga nila